Hi everyone, let us start with Algebra exercise 3.1 and question number 4 today. Rewrite the following polynomial in standard form. So first we have to understand how we can write a polynomial in standard form. Standard form of a polynomial. So if you want to write a polynomial like this in standard form, you have to follow just two rules. That will be, you have to either write it in decreasing order or you have to write it in increasing order of the powers. Okay, so let us see that. Let us take this example. 5m square minus 3m cube plus 7 minus 8 m power 4. So we have got m power 4, m power 3 and m power 2 and a constant. So constant means this you can take it as m power 0, right? Because anything power 0 is equal to 1. So that will be m power 0. So if you first of all, if you write this in decreasing order, decreasing means you have to start with the highest powers. So which is the highest power here? 4. So I have written a power 8 m power 4 first. And the second term will be minus 3m cube. So 3, then our plus m square and this our constant term which is nothing but m power 0. Okay, so this is the decreasing order and this is one of the standard form. Other standard form can be increasing order. So what is increasing order? Yes, increasing order means you have to start from the smallest power. As you said, as I explained, 7 is a constant term and this has our powers of 0. So this is the should be our first term. And the second term is m square, the third term is m cube and fourth term is 8m power 4. So you have to write either increasing order or decreasing order to have your polynomial in a standard form. So with this quick explanation, let us move on to our question. So first question is x minus 9 plus root 7x cube plus 6x square. So if you see the powers, it will be like this is of power 1, this is of power 0, which is x power 0, and this is x cube and x power 2. So first I am going to write decreasing order. So decreasing means start with the highest. Which is the highest here? Yes, this is the highest. We have to write root 7x power 3. This is done. What is the second term? Plus 6x square. Once you are done with cube, you can move on to square. Now you have to move on to x term. Plus x. And then you have to move on to your constant term. So this is your decreasing order of powers. Once you are done with decreasing order, increasing order is easier. Just start from the reverse. So that will be minus 9 plus x plus 6x square and my plus root 7 of x cube. So once you write this, just make clear that you have got all these terms from here, because sometimes if you go wrong here, this will also end up wrongly. So hope you understood this. Let's move on to the next question. The second question is minus 2x square, root 2x square minus or 7 by 2x power 4 plus x plus minus 5x cube. So here also let's analyze the powers. So this is of the power 4. So this is 3. This is 2 and this is a 1 and this is a 3. So which is the highest here? Yes, this is the highest. Let's write that first. Minus 7 by 2 x power 4. Once you are done with this, let's move on to the next one. 4 means we have to check the third power. We have the third power here. So write as minus 5x power 3. So once you are done with the third power, let's move on to the second power. We have the second power here. Plus root 2x square. Once you are done with the second power, move on to the first power. We have got that. Plus x and we are done. We have got only 4 terms here. We don't have the constant term. So we can stop here. Now how we will write our increasing power? Just write in the reverse and do check you have got all the term in the question. Plus x and then you have to write your x square. So square root of 2x square minus 5x cube and minus 7 by 2 x power 4. So I'm just writing the reverse of this and cross verify that you have got all the terms over here also. So this is the standard form is nothing but you have to write increasing and decreasing powers of x. If it is x, then x. If it is y, then y. So now let us move on to the third part of the question. The third part is 7x cube. So you have got a cube here and then you have got a square here and this is of power 1 and this is of power 0. So which is our first term? Yes, 7x cube. It is already in decreasing order. If you see the question carefully, they have given your question already in decreasing order only. So just confirm it and cross check it and write your answer. Now to write the increasing power, you have to start from here. So first will be minus 1 plus 4x and then you'll be able to write this term minus 6 by 5 x square plus 7x cube. So this is your increasing order. So now let us move on to the final part of this question. That will be, we have to check this question. This is power 2, power 3 and this doesn't have a power constant and this is of power 1 and the power 4. Decreasing means start with the highest power. That will be 9 y power 4. So this is done. Which is the second? Do we have y power 3 here? Yes, we have root 5 y power 3. Write that. Root 5 y power 3. And then you have to move on to y square. That will be plus y square. Next one will be, you have to write this one. Minus 7 by 3 y. And the next one will be, once you are done with this, you have to write your minus 11. Do check you have written all the terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have got 5 terms and you have written all the 5 terms. Now just write the increasing order. Start with the constant. Minus 11 and then your y term, that is minus 7 by 3y. Then your y square term, that is plus y square. And that your y cube term, that is root 5 of y cube. And then your y power 4 term, that will be 9 y power 4. So with this is done. So do remember you have to write your terms in the terms of each and every term in the polynomial in decreasing order or increasing order of the powers. Hope you understood this question and I'll give a clear note in the next slide. You can refer to it. Thanks for